Hi friends, welcome back. In previous video we have learned how can we apply pre-built themes in Tkinter applications. In this video we are going to learn how can we make our own styling for our Tkinter themes or Tkinter applications. We can make our own styles or we can make our own theme. So how can we do that? In previous video we had these lines of code, so we are going to apply our own theme. So first of all I will comment out this line because we don't want to set the theme. So let's get started. We can make our own styling with ttk. Okay, ttk will be able to make our own styles. So I will make a style with named style and we will call here ttk.style. Okay, so it will be the object of ttk.style, and now we can style the things. Suppose I have here a button 1. Okay, the button 1, and I want to change the style of this, so I will call here style is equal to like this. Okay, I want to make a button here and it will be the attribute c.t button. I have called here c.t button. You can pass here c.t button, or sometimes you can change here at the place of c you can type bw. Okay, now so first of all I'm coming here and at this place I will here type like this style dot configure. I will configure one thing only here, and the thing will be the c.t button. Okay, and I will make some changes here, like the button which will call this thing as style layout c.t button, width of that will be of like 20. Okay, and some font I can make some changes here in the font, and suppose it will be in the Arial and it will be of the size suppose 15, and it will be also bold like this. Okay, so font will be changes. And now suppose I want to change the foreground, so I'll call here foreground is equal to, suppose I want in red. Okay, and suppose the style of the button I want to change, so I'll call here relief, and relief is equal to, I can pass here the things like groove. Okay, groove, flat, sunken, these are the things for the relief option in buttons. Okay, so I can pass like this, relief is equal to groove, and it will be configured in c.t button. That means the button which we will call this thing c.t button as the style layout, then it will be changed like this. Its width is equal to 20 and font will be like this, foreground will be red, and relief is equal to groove. So let me check it. There is some error, style. Okay, I have made some mistake here. It is not ttk dot small style capital S, it will be capital S. Sorry for the typo. Okay, and now as you can see the foreground is red and the background is not being shown clearly because we have not actually selected the background, but relief is group. We can change with sunken. Now suppose I want to make this thing for all the buttons. Okay, suppose this is here called style is equal to c.t button, but suppose you have a lot of buttons or a lot of labels, then you will hesitate to call like this. Okay, so you can remove this. Okay, and now come out here, and at the place of c.t button I will only call here t button. Okay, and save, and I will run, and now you will see that the changes is being done in all the buttons. Okay, as you can see, all the buttons are in the same styling. Okay, without calling. Now let me make some changes for the labels. So I'll call the same thing here, copy, and I'm pasting here, and I will type here at the place of t button I will call t dot label. Okay, and under this I will just change the things like only foreground and the background. Okay, I'll make some changes only in foreground and background. So I'll call here foreground and background I want like a blue. Okay, so let me save and run this. And now as you can see, it is changed for all the labels. Suppose I want for only one label, so I will call the same thing. Suppose I will call the same thing here, and now I will call here c.t label. Okay, and under this label one I will call only this style is equal to c.t label. Okay, and now save and run. Then sorry, I have not made any changes. Firstly I will have to make some changes here, like in the foreground I want in sky blue. Okay, and the background I want in black. Okay, actually black, in the black it will be not sound. Suppose I want to change it to white. Okay, so label 1 must be in black background with white foreground. Let me check. Okay, it is done here. As you can see, it is changed. Okay, so all the things are working here. Suppose for entries, for some entry boxes you want to change, for combo box you want to change, then you can type like this for all the configurations: c.t label, c.t combo box, c.t entry, c.t button, c.t label, all the things you can do like this. Okay, suppose you want to make some more stylings for more changes, like hovering effect styles, then you can map the style. How can you do that? Let me come out here, and I want to make some changes in buttons. So I will call here style dot map. Okay, I will map here some things, and firstly I will pass here the widget which I want to map, that means which I want to styling. So I will call here t button. Okay, and after that I will call the attributes, like firstly I want foreground. Okay, and foreground is equal to, I want to make some changes like this. Under the tuple I will pass two things here. Firstly is pressed, that means when the user will press the button, then what will be the foreground. Okay, so I will pass another thing here, and I want to change it in brown color. When user will press the button, then foreground should be changed in brown color. Okay, and after this tuple I will make another tuple, and under this tuple the first thing I will pass is active, that means when user will go over this button, then what will be the color. So I want to change in red color. Okay, uh, okay, red color. And now I will make another list with background. I want to change the background also, so I will call the same thing. Okay, I will call the same thing. Let me copy this and paste it here, and when user will press, then I want to change the background as black, and when it will be active, then I want to change in sky blue. Okay, so let me save and now run this. I have left here a comma here, and also one parenthesis. Okay, now as you can see, when I am coming on any button and clicking on this, then you can see that the background and foreground are being changed. Okay, let me change some colors here so that you will be not confused. I want to make this in green color. Okay, foreground will be in green color when I will come over the button. Okay, now as you can see, these are working. So these are the like hovering effect on buttons. Okay, these are looking good. Okay, done. So you can make the styles for any of the widgets under the Tkinter like this. You can map the styling like this, and you can configure the styles for any single widgets with like this. Okay, so I hope guys you have liked this video and enjoy guys. In the next video we'll cover how can we make the custom dialog boxes. Okay, you must have faced this problem in Tkinter that you can't make the custom dialog box in Tkinter. Okay, you can make only top level, but we using that top level, how can we make the dialog box, the custom dialog box? So we'll cover that in next video. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.